So today we will learn how to multiply by 19 or 21 mentally. Okay, let us take an example. 19 multiply by 14. We know that 19 is very near to 20. So instead of multiplying by 19, we will multiply it by 20. So 19 plus 1 is 20. So 19 times 14 we want to find. So instead of 19 times 14, we will find 20 times 14. So let us find 20 times 14. We know that multiplying by 20 is easier than multiplying by 19. Because multiplying by 20 means first we will multiply this 2 by 14. 2 times 14 is 28. Then we can add the 0 to the right. Okay, so we got 280. So here we found 20 times 14, but we want only 19 times 14. So one more time 14 we have taken. So that one more 14 we have to remove from this 280. So we will subtract that 14 from 280. So 280 minus 14 it is. So 280 minus 10 is 270. Then minus 4 it is 266. So 19 times 14 is 266. Let us check our answer is correct or not. So normal multiplication we will multiply and see whether our answer is correct. Okay, we know 4 times 9 is 36. We write 6 here and 3 here. Then 4 multiplied by 1 is 4 plus 3, that is 7. Then place 0 in the unit place. Then multiply 1 times 9, that is 9. 1 times 1 is 1. 6. 9 plus 7 is 16. Then 1 plus 1 is 2. 266. So our answer is correct. Let us take another example. 13 times 19. So here also instead of 19 we will multiply it by 20 first. So 13 times 20. So 13 times 2 is 26. Then add the 0 to the right. So 13 times 20 is 260. Then so here we want to find only 19 times 13. But we found 20 times 13. So 113 we have to subtract. So we subtracted that 13. So 260 minus 13. 260 minus 10 is 250. Minus 3 is 247. So 13 times 19 is 247. Okay, let us take another example. Multiply 16 by 21. Here we know 21 is very near to 20 and we know 20 plus 1 is 21. Okay, so instead of finding 21 times 16 we will find 20 times 16 first time. So 16 multiplied by 20. So we know 16 times 2 is, it is 32. Then we can add the 0 to the right. So 16 times 20 is 320. And here we know we want to find 21 times 16, but we found only 20 times 16. So one more time 16 we have to add to it. So we will add that 16 to it. So 320 plus 60, it is 236. 320 plus 16, it is 336. Okay, let us take another example. 21 times 17. So here also instead of 21 we will take 20. 20 times 17 we will find. So 2 times 17 is 34. Then we add 0 to the right. Then we want to find 21 times. We found 20 times only. So one more time we have to find. One more time 17 we have to add. So 340 plus 17, that is 357. So 21 times 17, it is 357. Okay. So when we are multiplying by 19, we will first multiply by 20, then we will minus that other number from it. When we multiply by 21, first we will multiply by 20, then we will add the other number one time. Okay. Now let us find how to multiply by 25 mentally. Let us take an example. 25 16 times. Okay, so here what we will do, we will, instead of multiplying by 25, see, we will multiply this number by 100. See, we know 25, 4 times 25 is 100. Okay, so first we will multiply this number by 100, then we will divide that number by 4. So dividing a number by 4 means we will take the half, again we will take its half. So that way we can divide a number by 4. 2 times take its half. So let us find. So 25 multiplied by 16, instead of multiplying by 25, we will multiply the number by 100. So 100 times 16. So we know 16 times 100, that is 1600. Now we want to divide this number by 4. Okay, so dividing a number by 4 means, so let us take 16, let the 0 be there. So what is the half of 16? That is 8. What is half of 8? That is 4. So dividing a number by 4 means take its half, again make it half. So we found the half of 16, that is 8, again we took the half, that is 4. Okay, then we can add the 2 zeros here. So 400. So 25 multiplied by 16 is 400. This is one way. Or the same thing you can do like this. So 25 we have to multiply by 16. So instead of multiplying 25, we will multiply it by 100. So 100 multiplied by 16. Okay, after that I told you we have to divide it by 4. That means make its half, again half. So that now we can do here. So now before we multiply, so take its half, that is 8, again make it half, that is 4. So we found 4. Then multiply this 104. 100 times 4 is 400. So either this way you can do or this way you can do. Let us take another example. 8 times 25. What is 8 times 25? So we multiply 8 by 100 first. So it will be 800. Then we have to divide it by 4. So dividing by 4 means we will find the half 2 times. Half of 800, it is 400. Half of 400 is 200. So 8 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 25 is 200. Okay. Or another method I told you, 8 times 25. Okay. So 8 times 100 we will find. I told you after that we have to divide it by 4. So this division we will do here first. So dividing a number by 4 means take the half, again half. So half of 8 is 4 and half of 4 is 2. So 2 times we took the half. Then multiply it by 100. So it will be 200. Look at here. We got the answer, same answer here. 8 times 25 is 200. 8 times 25 is 200. So which method is easy for you? You can apply that method. Okay.